Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to write a Java program to make a right angle triangle. So first of all, I'll create a Java class called right angle triangle. Then let's create a main method here, psvm. If I type this psvm in IntelliJ IDEA, it will automatically generate this main method. So if you are using other editor, then you can just write this piece of code and then start writing your logic here. So the first thing is define the number of rows int rows equals to, let's define 10. Okay, and then I will start for loop I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to number of rows, and then I plus plus. Yeah, we are looping through each row for 10 rows here. Based on number of rows we define 10. So in each rows we are going to print how many asterisk we need to print. So in right angle triangle, at the beginning there will be 1 and then 2 3 4 5 likewise. So we need to write another loop, int j equals to 1, j is less than or equals to I, and then j plus plus. Here in this second loop, j starts with 1, and this is the main logic to print the number of asterisk in each rows, right? So when I is 1, then it will print 1 asterisk. When I incremented to 2, then it will print 2 asterisk, because j always start with 1. So let's print out asterisk then space, so that it will give better output. And then after writing asterisk in each line, then let's print the new line, so that we'll get the right angle triangle. Okay, let's run the program and see output in the console. Yeah, we are getting this right angle triangle output in the console. So if you want to see the bigger right angle triangle, then increment the number of rows. Let's increment to 50 and see what the output look like. Yeah, it's bigger than previous one, right? So in this way you can write your program to print the right angle triangles.
I hope you enjoyed the content I shared in this video. If you found it valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. If you think this video could be helpful to others, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with my latest videos and won't miss out on any future content. Just click that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. Your support means a lot to me, and it really helps in growing the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.